Hi guys, welcome to my first video of 2021 and my first Meatless Monday. For today's Meatless Monday, I decided to do a punch, Jamaican carrot punch, because it's thick, so it can be used as a meal replacement because it's thick and very filling. All right, yeah man, so I have some beautiful carrots here that has been washed, cleaned and washed, so I'm just getting ready to start chopping them. Yeah, man, so I'm just gonna start chopping, no rhyme or reason, just chop them in smaller pieces because I know we're making a punch, so we're gonna blend these up. The final one here. It's all finished. I'm just gonna move them to the pot here. To that I'm adding a cinnamon leaf, a very big one there. Also added the outer part of the nutmeg. I don't quite remember the name of it. If you guys do, please let me know in the comments. Remind me of the name of it. I'm adding a pinch of salt, about 1/8 teaspoon, just a pinch. And right here now, I have 2 cups of coconut milk that I'm going to be adding to this. Remember why I'm using coconut milk. This is, something I remember my mother used to tell us when we were small, when we were children, that when she was a child and she was living with her aunt and uncle in St. Thomas, they had cows and they had so much milk that they used to use the cow's milk to juice the carrot, to make carrot juice. And I said, you know what, I could do something like that. I could, but use coconut milk instead of the cow's milk. So that's what I did, and it tastes good. It's really good. So I said, let me share it with you guys. I'm adding another cup of water to it. Don't worry guys, I'll put the ingredients list down in the description box. So I'm going to move over to the stove now. So I'm now by the stove. I have it on low. I'm going to allow it to come to a slight simmer and then cover it and leave it there for about 15 minutes. But I don't want to boil out all the nutrients and all of that out of it, and allow it to cool down completely, and then we move on from there. As you can see there, it's starting to bubble, so I'm just going to cover it and leave this on there for 15 minutes or so, and then, as I said before, allow it to cool down and then come. It smells so good. It's completely cool, so we're now ready to move on to the next step, which is to, sorry about that guys, my toddler touched the tripod. So I'm now ready to start blending. As you know, within a typical punch, you need to blend up the ingredients. So with the coconut, removing the cinnamon leaf there, so with the coconut milk and everything, I'm gonna blend it up. Look at this here. That's what you call a punch. Look how thick it is. See why I say it can be used as a meal replacement? This is thick and very filling. Look at that. Look at that. Would you say this is what you call a punch? A real Jamaican carrot punch? Now ready to start sweeten. So I'm using my condensed milk there. I know it's not I'm using about half of the condensed milk here. I know it's not completely vegan. But I didn't want to use too much sugar in this, so that's why I decided on using only the tin milk. You know, we say meatless Monday doesn't necessarily mean that it have to be 100% vegan. But it can be vegan if you so wish. You could use sugar or any sweetener of your choice instead of the condensed milk and instead of the supligen here. I'm adding the supligen there, which is going to add another layer of flavor to it as well. About half of the box there. About a teaspoon of vanilla. And you know, no real Jamaican punch can be made without a real Jamaican nutmeg here. So I'm grating about a teaspoon of nutmeg in there. And look at that. Look at that lusciousness there. Ah, can't wait. Can't wait to have this. Well cold. Give it a quick taste. Clean hands, guys. So good, but it needs a little more sweetening. So I'm adding the rest of the milk in there. Please remember I said that I'll place the ingredients list in the description box down below. Give it a quick taste again. Oh wow. Oh wow. So good. And I'll be adding some rum, which is completely optional. I know typically they'll use some Guinness or so, but I don't like Guinness. I don't like Guinness for some reason. So I'll be using some Maria Never white rum here. And I'm putting about a corkful in there. Just something to add a little zing to it, I should say. And it really does adds that zing to it. Give it a quick taste again. It needs nothing more. That's it, guys. So what I'm going to do, I won't be serving this now. I'll be serving this tomorrow. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in the fridge, allow it to cool, and then tomorrow I'll come back and show you what it looks like. It's the next day, so I'm now ready to serve it. Here you have it, guys. My thick, my real authentic Jamaican carrot punch that can be used as a meal replacement. Look how thick it looks. It's super delicious, guys. My husband loves it. My daughter loves it. Oh man, and I can't wait to get down into this now. And I'm going to taste it there. Look at that. Look at that. I'm going to give it a quick taste there. You guys have to try this. You guys have to try it and let me know how you like it. Alright, and that rum there, it adds just the right punch to it. And I'm so happy to be using memories of my mother to create these dishes for you. Drink in this instant, punch in this instance, I should say, my Jamaican carrot punch. Alright, thank you so very much for watching and for joining me today, guys. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Also share it with your friends and family if you so wish. See you on my next video, guys.